Hi, this is Leslie Josel, academic and parenting coach of Order Out of Chaos, and you are watching another episode of Lessons with Leslie. So I'm here today to talk to you about homework folders and how much I hate them. No, like I really hate them. And I don't hate a lot of things, but I'll tell you why I hate them. I think they just become one big black hole for your students to just shove all their papers in. Like, am I right? Like, have you ever seen your child or any student for that matter manage a homework file in a way that makes sense? I haven't, and I've been doing this for 14 years. So here's my simple solution for you. Number one, get rid of the homework folders. That's my first tip. My second tip is to buy instead 2 pocket dividers. I love them. Now, you'll notice about these that even though they're colorful, which I like particularly for a student who likes to color code, you can still see through them. Because for most students, what they don't see doesn't exist. So here's how I set this up. Very simple. And on the first pocket, I write homework to do. And then on the back pocket, it's homework done. And I have my students put one of these in front of every binder that they use. So if they use a single binder, it can go right in front. If they're using a master binder, it can be even done by subject. You can see I wrote science over here. And they even make ones that clip on to a spiral notebook. What I love about them is everything has a home, but everything that belongs together has a home. Social studies is with social studies, English is with English. Because if you have everything commingling, it's really hard for your student to find what they need. If you like these tips, and I hope you do, you have to head over to our website, orderoofchaos.com, where you're going to find tons of tips and tools on how to get your student organized. See you then.